Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing very well. So during this lockdown, and today I have some interesting topic with me. So that is money management. So I want to make this video in three parts. The first one I'll give you some insights about the introduction of money, and second one what are the regular human activities regarding money, and last one is the tips about effective money management. I have 10 tips regarding to it. Now, without any delay, let us start this. So, to introduce about what is the genesis of money, say money spending is purely psychological, because you have money with you and you tend to buy something. So that is called income effect in economics. The more is the salary, the more luxurious your products and your lifestyle and your personality will be. So a daily labor may not spend more money because his income is very less. So this income effect is a proven theory in economics. Now, there are some wisdom regarding money. So, the first is so there are a lot of quotes about money, but I mention you four or five which I am very noticed in the day to day life. The first is a fool and his money is soon parted. Because if you observe anyone who is spending just like that, so he will not have savings. So the reason is a fool and his money so cannot go together. A fool cannot have money. It is the very summary of that quote. And second one, if you are spending money without any thinking, you are obviously a fool. So take my word for granted. So what I suggest is you have to think and spend the money. So thinking what? So whether you are spending money on something is useful or not, so that is the thinking the one should do. And next quote which I'm very impressed is that everyone needs money. Don't ask money with others, but you cannot do it in your life, because if you are borrowing money or if you are lending money, so the money is either useful for you or the money is useful for the giver. So the lending and borrowing have equal risk. So if you are borrowing money, you have to pay it one day. You have to remember that. Or if you are lending money, again you have to uh, get it one day. If you cannot meet the demands of getting or giving money on one particular day, then there will be a lot of risk in it. So you cannot do these two things in life at the same time. You cannot refrain it from doing. So obviously every person may be having some debt. See, every country has a sovereign debt, that is very common. So countries are used to it, and everyone also has the personal debt. So it is very fact. And next one which I'm very impressed is money is the better slave and the worst master. So money can be just termed as a slave. So if you ask with the super rich industrialists about money, they hate money, I suppose, because they don't focus on money making, they focus on innovation and creativity and technology. Therefore, they get money, that is the consequence of their actions. So if any super rich person is liking money, I am very doubtful that he is not millionaire if he is desiring to get lot of money. So you run after your innovation, skills, talents, and technology. The money comes to your way. So don't run after money. So money is not the destination. Now the second part of this video is regarding what are the human activities regarding money. So the first one is money making. So how do you make money? You earn money first of all. So after earning money, you may go for spending or saving. That is different thing. So always remember one thing: you have to earn money in multiple ways. So don't earn money in one way. So earning money in one way will have consequences, because the job which you are doing, you may lose the job some other day. So therefore your source of income will get affected. So the point is earn money in multiple ways. That is called money making or money earning. And second human activity is money preserving. So ants preserve their food in a burrow. So a person also preserves his money either in savings, either in mutual fund, or they invest money in some place. So that is how it goes. So savings can be also investment, or investment can be also savings. So one should be economist to understand these words. And next is money spending. So money spending is the very easiest thing you can do. So money earning is difficult, and money saving is difficult, and money spending is very easy. A fool can spend money without any thinking. That's what I mentioned in the introduction thing. Now these are the very three activities that humans do with money. And I want to conclude with the last part of this video, that is tips to make more money. So first tip is save the money. So if you save more money, you will have the money on the rainy day. There is an English idiom here, saving something for the rainy day. So rainy day means a troublesome day. So you have to save money for your troubled times. So future is uncertain. There is no returns without a risk. This is what the financial management philosophy says. So you have to save money for getting money on the very difficult times. And next one is uh, save and spend. So after saving, what you do is spending. It is not what spending and saving. So the sequence of actions is save and spend. So the reverse is possible, but it will land up into many problems. And third and fourth tips is don't borrow and don't lend. As I mentioned earlier, it is very difficult. So in our lives, there will be no circumstance that you cannot borrow money or you cannot lend money, and this is left to your discretion. It is your decision completely. And next one is go for insurance. Insurance and savings, these are the two things that will help you in a very difficult times. So a person without insurance he is a target for a life. So there are many insurance like home insurance, medical insurance, life insurance, etc. And next suggestion is invest in a right business. So right business is you have to do market analysis and understanding about the current trends in market. Then you have to invest in a right business. So and your business should be ethical. Investing money in unethical business is not accepted, or it may be accepted, but you will end up into lot of troubles and problems. And next one is save money in a different way. That is like recurring deposits. Even many financial institutions open windows for deposits. So recurring deposit means every month you have to pay a certain amount. So and there will be maturity date for it, and they will add interest to that savings, and they'll give you end of the day. And there are some other thing called compound interest. So compound interest, it is done by pawn brokers, and compound interest is a difficult concept, but nobody takes money for the compound interest. The acceptance of this CI is very difficult. And next is you have to make list of expenses before you spend money. On what you are spending money, that you have to know. So Warren Buffett, he wrote 18 points, that is Buffettology. So he mentioned that if you spend money on useless things, you have to sell off useful things, which is very difficult. Okay, so don't spend money on useless things. And the last one is credit cards. Now, this credit card idea has come from the West. So, uh, taking money on credit is equal to meeting the risk in the future. So, credit card business will give you the happiness for some time. So, you can take money on credit and you can buy it. But after some time, you have to pay it back. So, please remember this. Credit business is like, a honey smeared on the knife. So, a honey is given to you to lick it, which is on the knife. So, if you are if you feel that the honey is more tasty, but the honey is on the knife, it may cut your tongue. So this is the wisdom I give you. I never licked a knife which is smeared with honey. So so jokes apart. So this is the money management video I made. So please subscribe and comment to my video and my YouTube channel, sorry. And I'll be making important videos down the line. So thank you. Have a very nice day. Okay, a nice time. Okay, thank you so much.